it was fantastic to see again our communities joining us for a series of exchanges, debates, but also very concrete demonstrations that Europe in digital terms is really going forward. Personally, I was very impressed by the feedback we received on our program, Digital Europe program. It is something we started two years ago, and now we start seeing the concrete results. So really extremely positive investments in areas like supercomputers, digital skills, but also deploying support for SMEs across the Union. And it was really nice to have this feedback from stakeholders that they like this program, they are benefiting from it, and we see really concrete results from what the EU is investing in. So I think for me it was really a major takeaway, but we had really major discussions and opportunities. One of the highlights was to see actually a quantum computer on stage in action. I think this was really for me quite remarkable. It shows that Europe is again at the forefront. We had a Nobel Prize addressing us and seeing really that this is not science fiction. It is something that will change our lives for good and have very concrete benefits for the Union. Another highlight I found was really also talking about the Declaration on Digital Rights and Principles. This is something that we put forward some months ago, and it's starting really to have an impact and to fuel really into our big message now on the digital decade. You know, the report is coming up, and I think we had fantastic announcements already on the first European Digital Infrastructure Consortium in areas like language technologies, Cyber Skills Academy, but also going in many fields and taking initiative from member states and together with the EU program. So overall, I think it was a rich agenda. We learned a lot, but I think the best was really to join again our stakeholders and to see the enthusiasm about not only the European legislation and our agenda, but actually about concrete projects, concrete funding, and a lot of opportunities really for young people as well to participate.